So guys, in this video I'll be going over how and why roofing and HVAC company need to start implementing AI system in 2026, and this is exactly the system we use to take a particular client from struggling to scale past 35k to over 200k in profits in their business. So this video is all about going over the breakdown of this particular roofing business and how you can also implement this system also for your business. And by the way, this system works for wherever niche you might be in, be it roofing, landscaping, solar, wherever local niche you might be in, you can plug and play this exact same system into your business. Now this is a breakdown of what it looked like for these clients. Now when it comes to this particular client we're working with, this was a roofing client in Dallas Fort Worth, Texas. Now this is a live process of what their funnel look like. Now for this particular company, what they were just doing is they were having their website, they were running ads on Google and also Meta, and they were having their websites. This is what their landing page look like. Now when this lead comes in to their website, the only thing that happen is their director gets to speak with this lead. Now, and it takes time before their director gets to respond to this lead. And initially when we audit them and analyze them over a call, we notice that the response time between which this director calls this lead are around 3 to 6 hours, and definitely this lead gets good. Then after the director speak to the lead and gather the information, then the next thing is they manually send these customers follow-up messages. They manually send this lead follow-up messages, and just from that, what do you think will happen? Definitely the homeowners lead were not picking the phone, they were ghosting them. And this is the reason why majority of these roofers out there are saying that marketing systems, ad doesn't work. No, ad works. What is more crucial is what happened after the leads comes into your phone. And for this particular company, the homeowners lead were not picking the phone and were totally ghosting them. And also they are also booking into their calendar manually. That is, when this list comes into their company, they are booking it manually and they are sharing this thing with the team. Now, as director of a company, as the CEO of a company, you definitely don't want to be involved in many things in the business. You are wearing many hats in the business, then it will be very hard for you to scale your company, and that is the typical scenario for this particular business. Now, most roofing companies, they leak 50% to 70% of their leads due to slow follow-up, and that is the bottleneck we are trying to solve here. By implementing our AI system, we plug and we solve that list, and we even increase the conversion rate to about 15 to 25%. And just from increasing the conversion rate to 25%, we are adding about 40 to 60k a month in revenue without even buying a single extra lead. Now, having to study their current lead flow, as you can see, they were averaging around 35k per month in their revenue for their company. Now when we came in, when we reach out to them, when we audit them, when we show them this system and we break down everything, now this is what their new system look like. This is what the new funnel we implemented for them look like. Now once we run the ads and these ads are coming in, it might be from their website, or maybe these ads are calling from Google. Now the first thing we do is that every single lead are being responded to within 1 to 5 minutes. Now the speed to lead is very important. It is very crucial to always follow up with the leads immediately. Now once these leads are coming into the funnel, the first thing we do is we have an AI roofing survey funnel that automatically qualifies the lead. Now this survey funnel is all about getting this lead to ensure that we are getting the highest quality leads as possible. Then after that, the next thing will be for AI to send a ballpark roof estimate. Now once this lead has been qualified in terms of the property, in terms of the problem they're having, and in terms of how fast they are looking to make decision to replace their roof, then we have this AI measure the scope and prepare an estimate for approval. Now by following this thing, what will happen? AI follow up consistently. Now this is the catch. Now AI follow up consistently until they book an appointment. That is until they say yes or no. As you can see, this is a live example of how it look like in this client. AI does the follow up, the initial follow up from beginning to end, until either an appointment is booked or they are not interested anymore. So AI does this. Then what's happened from that? Then this homeowner gets approved for inspection or estimate, and the conversion rate skyrockets and increase by 30 to 35%, just because AI automatically books this lead into your calendar, and this particular system runs without even you having your team in place. AI does everything and it books this lead into your calendar. And these are like life examples of what it looks like in our own client business, this particular client business. So this was the breakdown of the system we implemented for these clients, and they were able to scale past 228 grand in a month. As you can see, this is a live case study and live testimonial. You can go search them up online to make your findings about them when working with us. So this is a live breakdown, and this is the exact same system they were using to make 228 grand a month just from implementing system. Now what does this AI does? AI handle everything, and this is why you need to start implementing right now in your roofing business or your HVAC business. It handles missed calls and after hours lead. It handles lead qualification. You don't have to worry about how your lead have been qualified. It handles follow up. You don't have to be catch and following up with this lead. It handles inspections and bookings. It handles your calendar and reminders. It handles your team notification, your post inspection follow ups, reviews and referral. That's the greatest thing about this AI system. You can even use it to get more reviews that boost your organic trust for your business. So it is very crucial for business to start implementing this AI system now, and this is how we have implemented this particular AI system into this business in such a way that when this lead is coming, there's predictability of what is to be done. Now as you can see, now this is a live funnel from this particular client. As you can see, now when an appointment is booked, the next thing we do is that we send SMS immediately. After we send SMS, we also send them email. So this thing is all about having multiple touch points. So after that, we wait until 2 days before the appointment, then we send email reminder. After that, we send SMS reminder. Then we also wait until 4 hours before the appointment, because we don't want to bug them with a lot of messages and emails. It's kind of look disgusting when you tend to bug people with a lot of message. So we just keep on sending SMS and reminder. We are just creating and being top of mind on this particular lead. So whenever they are ready to take action, definitely your company will be the best choice for them, because you continually follow up and nurture them. And the funny part is you don't have to do all this by yourself. AI does it. So we have different workflows for different stages of the lead. When the leads fill up the form, there's workflow for that. So different stages, and this is the kind of system you can implement right now to your business and start to make big bucks, just like this particular client. And that is how they are making big bucks just from implementing AI without even having to run ads. Using this particular system, you save yourself 20 plus hours per week following up with your lead nurturing. You can just use the time to concentrate on other important areas on your business. Then also you have a particular 30 to 35% higher appointment show up rate, because AI is following up immediately. So definitely this lead tend to follow up and book appointment immediately. Then also you get more close job without even hiring a staff. That's one of the craziest things about this system. You don't even need a staff. AI runs everything for you. So this is a fully fledged system that you can implement into your business right now, into your roofing business, into your solar business, wherever niche you might be in, and start crushing it in 2026. It's the fresh start of the year. This is January. So smart and wise business have started implementing AI system into your business. So if you want to implement the same exact system into your business and get the same exact result we are getting for our clients out there, there's a link in the description of this video. Just click the link below, book a call with me. I'll be ready to walk you exactly step-by-step process on how you are going to implement this system for your business. It's not going to be a high pressure sales call. It's just a value call where we get to understand deep down into your business and how we can implement the systems to start getting this same exact result for your business. So book a call now. I'll be right there to help you. Bye.